Ka school St. Francis DRCC Secondary School ka beri ka way nagsilam ay jeng hikay ha Umling Riboy District. Ya kabala paniya da ginong ilam niam jong kabalang Catholic. Kalasdang ya ka sports meet ka baars ngi jong ka ya kabalasdang henin kasngi kata ha ka shipaw tarik ubanail bayar ar ha ka bagi kena school jong ka school kilay shimbenta ha ki jing lekay baper ki bala paniya da ginong hikay jong ka school.
Kuat Persyadin.
Haswa ka jing sedang jong ka jing penilai ka sports kaladon ka jing ilang pli ya kene ka sports meet ha ka bau ba Lawrence nong room ubri way nagi samlarang ba ka than uba jumi ba ban kentiu ya ka dong ka than uba longru ha ka jo ko por kumrang ba shnong jong shnong paham sobar ulawan poi kumukong san ha ka jing don lang jong ki riurang ba ki ba kentup yo ba Angelus Maring ubri urang ba shnong ka umdap dumu uba Alexander Maring ubri urang ba shnong jong ka shnong umdap rangi nang ta ki sister ki ba kentup ya sister Jis Jos ibadi principal jong ka school kiwi ki sister ki bahikai ha kate ka school nang ta ki nong hikai ki kimi ki khpa jong ki khana school bat ki te ki khana school ki bahapdeng jong ka jingshong shit ki lawan ban ya shim banta ha kane ka sngi ya ketika sports meet jong ka school on pun kut no menta ka sngi kata ha ka khatwe tarik ubanail bayar ar poar
that the 2 days sports meet of the St. Francis DRCC School Umling is open. Kajing nang, pada lem kajing cipriu cuplay, lem kajing burom yau play. Kan bentoi ayu, kajing la jugi benkenjo saman kitong, kan rei lada gibdon kajing cipriu cuplay, but kajing sungu yau play. Kajing sungu yau play. Kajing tipriu cuplay haki dong berkitan ki jongi ngalai ba kelahiran kumja kumkin dong yalam ngakwa berkentu yaki kmi kikpa yaki nongikai bagi kena ihat ibadat ki jongi barengkat along with your studies, along with your sports and your cultural activities, you should also respect God. Ban burom ya ublay, kadai kebakmat Ngi bahagi kisni, ibun kitma, ibun kijingele, aman kisnom kitau, aman kidong berkitan, barhaka pertei berokaway. Kadau ba dausan kalong kajing hiran, jong kajing cipriu ciblay. Lada ngidon kajing cipriu ciblay, kamut ba kajing burom parabriu ngindon hakmat Kadon kaway kakentin kaboong. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. Tetapi do ya kaspa, imdu AA. When health is lost, something is lost. Tetapi do not ya kakoit katya. Kadon kato katay kajing do not. But when character is lost, everything is lost. Kadang-kadang kekentin, kapag kenjat ya kadang ke jonga ha kadang step, maka kuat menong ya piki kimi kipa, kinong hikai, bat ki kena school, bak kenal, ka karakter ke jongki should never be lost.
Ngapdiang burom ya baro ki kimi kipa, ki henmen kipara, ki nong le ha ki badran ringkat bagi ha kadang kasi.
For accepting our invitation and being with us and inaugurating our sports day and sponsoring your gift to St. Francis School. On behalf of all St. Xavier family, I extend our sincere gratitude to you, sir.
All the
children to kindly clap as a token of our gratitude. Now we will start with the different games and items. Cannot escape ultimate accountability for a breach of faith. Now it's time to show our commitment